Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope all are fine at your home. Welcome back to online class of Sham Ki Bagia. Today we will read and learn the spelling of sound of CK. Now start. Everybody speak with me loud. SOCKS, socks. BRICK, brick. FROCK, frog. PEACOCK, peacock. LOCK, lock. DUCK, duck. Now we will underline the CK sound. SOCKS, socks. BRICK, bricks. FROCK, frog. PEACOCK, peacock. LOCK, lock. DUCK, duck. Now everybody look here. Which picture is this, beta? Socks. We will write here socks. SOCKS, socks. Okay, SOCKS, socks. Which picture is this? Brick. BRICK. Everybody learn the spelling of socks. SOCKS, socks. BRICK, brick. Which picture is this, beta? Lock. LOCK, lock. LOCK, lock. Next picture is frog. FROCK, frog. Once again, LOCK, lock. FROCK, frog. Okay, beta. Now next topic, phonic drill. We will read BACK, back. BLACK, black. ATTACK, attack. BRICK, brick. CHECK, check. CHICK, chick. FLOCK, flock. CLOCK, clock. SICK, sick. PICK, pick. LICK, lick. TRICK, trick. Next row, ROCK, rock. LOCK, lock. COCK, cock. SOCK, sock. Now we will underline the sound of CK. BACK, back. BLACK, black. ATTACK, attack. BRICK, brick. Okay, once again speak with me. BACK, back. BLACK, black. ATTACK, attack. BRICK, brick. Next, CHECK check, CHICK chick, FLOCK flock, CLOCK clock, SICK sick, PICK pick, LICK lick, TRICK trick, ROCK rock, LOCK lock, COCK cock, SOCK coke. Okay beta, you will read and learn the spelling of sound of CK and look at the picture and learn the spelling of picture's name. Okay beta, see you again in my next video. Have a nice day.